Dive into first-person point of view. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating aspect of creative writing, the first-person point of view. Ever wondered what makes stories feel so personal and direct? Stay with us to unveil the magic. First-person point of view, often abbreviated as First-Person POV, is when a story is told directly through the eyes, thoughts, and feelings of one character. This character becomes the narrator of the story. In first person, you'll often see pronouns like I, me, my, and we. For example, I walked through the eerie forest, feeling the weight of silence around me. Here, the character is directly describing their experience and sensations, making it intimate and personal. There are distinct features that set the first-person POV apart. 1. Immediate and personal. First person tends to be more intimate because readers are placed directly inside the narrator's mind. We understand their feelings, motivations, and perspectives deeply. 2. Limited knowledge. Since the story unfolds through one character's eyes, we only know what this character knows. This can create suspense as there may be events or motivations the narrator isn't aware of. 3. Emotionally engaging. As readers, we often feel a strong connection to first-person narrators. Their joys, sorrows, fears, and triumphs become ours. 4. Subjectivity. It's essential to remember that the first-person POV is inherently subjective. We're seeing the world through one person's lens, which means their biases, beliefs, and background will color the narrative. 5. Unique voice. First-person stories often have a strong and unique voice. This voice can be shaped by the narrator's age, background, region, and personality. There you have it, folks. The first-person point of view is a compelling and intimate way to immerse readers into a story. It brings stories to life by allowing readers to experience events, emotions, and the world through a character's eyes. We hope this video shed light on the magic of first-person narration. Keep writing, keep reading, and, most importantly, keep discovering. Until next time.